Okay, the babies are 2 weeks old. Today is Friday, 2 weeks. So let's see, we got our eyes open now. And this one here, look at this little baby. Show them your eyes, honey. Is Paws, female. You got this one here, who is Flower Girl. And behind her is Rainbow Girl. Hi, honey. Right here we have Bone, female. And White, female. Diamond, female. Flame Boy. Fancy Blue Boy. Well, that doesn't work if I turn the camera that way, does it? No. And you got Pink here. And Blue Boy here. Come on out, Blue Boy. Blue Boy there. Nice, big, strapping, fat little porky babies. They're all over a pound. Everybody's doing great. Very healthy. Mama's doing good. This is Rainbow, female. White, female. Flower, female. Diamond, female. Bone, female. Fancy Blue, male. Pink, female. Blue Boy. Paws, female. And Flame, male. Enjoy the video. I got 2 of them coming at you today because I was feeding and Shasta was in the way, so we wanted to make sure you guys get to see, and you get to see that their eyes are open. Boop, 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 boop. Don't you love the sounds they make? Okay, enjoy the video.